Here we have the Cooch and Sons of Northampton potato sorter, Royal Agricultural Society of England first prize winner. I've got a little bit of help from my mate Nick today. He's the engine, so we'll see how she goes. There's the conveyor belt. All working. I don't know how old this thing is. It's got to be 100 years old at least. This would make a fantastic exhibit with your stationary engine. Run him slow. Imagine the fun you could have sorting all them spuds. I think he needs a drop of goose fat or something.
My finger does.
So there you have it, the Cooch and Sons potato sorter. Thanks, Nick.